In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change your Facebook business portfolio name. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Facebook account. Once you are in, switch over to your Facebook business page. This is important because the business portfolio settings are usually managed from the business side of your account rather than from your personal profile. After you are on the correct Facebook business page, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Meta Business Suite. This will open the main business management area where you can access your page tools and portfolio settings. If Facebook asks you to choose a business portfolio, go ahead and select the correct one. This matters if you manage more than one business, since you want to make sure you are editing the right portfolio before making any changes. Once you are inside Meta Business Suite, find the sidebar on the left side of the screen and scroll down until you see Settings. Click on Settings to open the Business Settings area. From there, you will be taken into the Business Portfolio Settings section. In this area, click on Business Info. This page contains the core details connected to your business portfolio, including the business name and other identifying information. Next, look for the section called Business Portfolio Info. Under that section, click Edit. This will allow you to make changes to the existing portfolio information. Now enter your new business portfolio name in the Business Name field. Be sure the name is correct before saving, since this is the main name that will represent the portfolio inside your Meta Business settings. If needed, you can also update the primary page URL field while you are here. This is optional, but it can be useful if your page link has changed or if you want to make sure the portfolio is connected to the correct page address. After you have finished updating the information, click Save to apply your changes. Facebook should then update the business portfolio name based on the details you entered. That is the full process for changing your Facebook business portfolio name in Meta Business Suite. Follow these steps carefully, and your updated business name should be saved without any trouble. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.